Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now taking a little ride in our 1967 Chevy Impala convertible. Of course, the Impala has always been known for being the biggest car of the Chevy family. This one we have here being a nice little custom restoration featuring a full-on gray exterior. As you do see, it does have blacked out taillights, bumpers, and bezels. Best thing you can get for a custom resto mod, featuring a black power top, not a manual top, and I'll say it again, it is a power top. Also having the nice style rallies with the baby moon style hubcaps. As you can see in the pictures, it does have a new set of welded racing wheels in the back, so if you ever want to switch them out, that would be nice to do. But of course, keeping it old school is the best way to do it. Moving on to the inside, as you can see, it has a blacked out interior, bucket seats, automatic on the floor, having the appropriate style console, back seat, all the material is there, having the speaker right inside the center there, having a 3-spoke steering wheel with adjustable column, aftermarket cluster. Best thing you can get for a Chevy Impala custom. Power steering, power brakes. You even have the dual window cranks, AC Delco radio for the sound of the tunes. But basically, because this car is so built, the only thing you really need to hear is the sound of the motor. Featuring onto the engine bay, featuring a built 427 nut and bolt restored, having EFI sniper. Best things you can get, and of course in our write-up you will see a little bit more than what I'm describing in the video, but because the car is a little louder, it is hard to describe it over video. But more importantly, if you really want to see a cool car, this is definitely the one to see. In fact, while you're at it, you should take a look at our website, take a look at all the cool cars at skywayclassics.com. But as for now, we are just going to get this one turned around and up on the lift, so if you have a moment, folks, stay tuned with us to see the underneath.